Now in this video, we discuss an important question where we have to calculate the geometrical and the stereoisomers possible for a particular coordination complex molecule. So the question says how many geometrical isomers are possible for this molecule. So first of all, we will have to draw the molecule. That is PT, NO2, NH3, NH2OH, pyridine. So all these ligands are different. So it will be of the form MABCD. The shape cannot be tetrahedral because then geometrical isomers are not possible. So we consider this to be square planar. And then we see that it is actually a case of a circular permutation. We will have a mathematical approach in solving. Circular permutation formula is n minus 1 factorial upon 2. Right? So this will be what? 4 minus 1, 3 factorial upon 2, which is 3. So we have 3 geometrical isomers. You can also draw it and then say, for example, opposite to A, you can have B, C and D, 3 cases. So if you fix every this vertex with A, B, C, D, you have total 12 cases, but you are counting that thing 4 times. Right? A opposite to C is counted when A was there, B was there, C and D, right? So divide by 4, so it becomes 3. Anyways, you can say it's a case of a circular permutation. The second is platinum, bromide, chlorido, iodide, nitrito, NH3, pyridine. So it is all the ligands are different. It is of the form MABCDEF, octahedral. So we can say that the central metal M is surrounded by 6 neighbors. So the question is just like, in mathematics we have a question that in how many ways you can paint, the face of a cube with 6 different colors. So the first face can be painted in how many ways? It can be painted in one way because colors are different but the destination is not distinct. All the faces are identical. So let's say you painted this with a certain color, let's say yellow. Then the opposite side will have a distinction. The opposite side can be painted in how many ways? It can be painted in 5 ways. And the vertical or the side faces you can see 4 in numbers 1, 2, 3 and 4. It's a case of a circular permutation. So we can say it is 3 factorial. So this will be equal to 30 stereoisomers. And it consists of enantiomeric pairs, right? So if they say how many enantiomeric pair are possible, answer would have been 15. But here they are asking stereoisomers, means a molecule and reflection is counted as 2. Therefore answer would be 30. So for the first one, we will have 3 geometrical isomer as an answer, and for the second one you will have 30 stereoisomers are possible for this. Okay? So whenever possible, use concept of permutation and combination to solve such questions. Thank you.